guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a Shopmissa haul. I've been kind of slacking on the videos, so I'll show you everything I found. This time around I'll have a direct link down in the description where you can shop. Most of the stuff is $1. It's like literally like a dollar store online, which is super affordable. So yeah, I absolutely love them. I have several Shopmissa hauls which I will go ahead and link down below so you can check them out. So let me show you what I picked out this time around. So I got a Papa Wonder blender. So this was $1.55. I really love all of their beauty blenders on Shopmissa. They're high quality for the price and they do their job, so definitely check them out. I also got this little hair clip. It's a gold little hair clip, super gorgeous. I've been obsessed. Usually if I have a hair clip on, it's probably from Shopmissa. They're so affordable. This little cute pink pearl necklace is also from Shopmissa and it was $1. I'm also into Juicy Couture, obviously, as you know. So I picked out, this is actually meant to be worn for like your mask, like to hold your mask or like hang it on your neck or something. But I decided to use it as a strap on my little pink Juicy Couture barrel bag. I think it looks super cute. What do you think? And the strap was $1. It was so cute. I love it. It's literally the perfect like length. And you could never tell that it's meant to go for your, you know, your mask. So I love that for $1. I'll try to link as much down below so it's easy for you to find. I try to do that for you guys always. And then I have this AOA. These are little stands, like organizer stands. You can organize your skincare, your makeup. So I was really happy to get my hands on these. I don't know if these are still in stock, but if they are, I will link them down below so that you can pick them up. And they're pink. I mean, hello, we love pink. I did pick up some more beauty blenders. So this one is a Wonder blender, but they're different shapes, as you can see. And then this is just like a little sponge, like a wedge. So I did get some of that to do my makeup. And then I got this one. I love the Papa collection because part of the proceeds do go to like animals in need, which is super sweet. I did pick up a really pretty pearl headband, super feminine and girly. And I love it. It's super cute. That was $1. And then I did get some cotton puffs, super soft. I needed some of these to put some powder. I found a little heart keychain. You guys know this is literally like my favorite color, like this light shade of pink. It's so gorgeous to me. And this is the Melody brand. I wish I could have gotten more of these. For some reason it only lets me get like one at a time, so I don't know. I also got this really cute measuring tape because if you don't know, I do sell vintage Juicy Couture handbags, which if you're interested in checking that out, I'll have it linked down below. But I like to have these to measure my bags, and this one was only $1, which was, you know, awesome. So these come in really handy when I'm measuring the handbags. And then I found this headband, which is, it's one headband, but it like expands like this, so some of the hair will show in between, and it looks stunning, you guys. I'm obsessed with pearls. I also got this gigantic bow. I mean, I feel like this bow is more than the hair that I have on my head right now because I've been losing a ton of hair. If you know any tips or tricks on the hair loss, please let me know in the comments because this bow is like bigger than the amount of hair that I have on my head. So sad. I also get all of my hair clips there. So these are the butterfly hair clips. I have pearl hair clips. These are super cute. Look at them. They're darling. And then I did get some brow comb scissors for $1. This eyeshadow brush for $1. This was an impulse buy, but sometimes I feel like I need stuff like this when I'm working on the computer. This is a paw hand exercise. Like, I feel like this would be good for like stress, you know? Even if you work at a, like in an office or something, I think this would help with your stress levels. I don't know, you guys. So I thought that was quite lovely. I'm gonna have that near where I do my work. I feel like I need to have something like this near me at all times. And then I have this little dainty hair clip with the flower design. This reminds me of like a crown. Doesn't it look like a crown to you? And it's a really pretty like pastel pink. And then I got a white one. Very cute, right? I don't remember ordering this. Stuff like this always happens, but this is a liquid diamond illuminator. I don't remember buying that, but hey. This one is so cute. It says Queen on it. I had to have it. It might be a little much, but it's okay, you know? Like, it just reminded me of like Juicy Couture, and I'm obsessed, so I had to have it. And it's like sparkly. Love it. Okay, what else did I get? I got this little Hello Kitty keychain, scissors, little tweezers. This is not scissor. Oh, it's in the shape of a scissor. Got that. And then I got a AOA Studio Perfect Finishing Pressed Powder in beige. I don't know where the other one went, so I decided to grab another one. And then some pressed shadows. This is an AOA Studio Velour highlighter in the color Sometimes. It feels so buttery when you touch it. It's quite nice, actually. And then these are the little pressed eyeshadows. I have a little magnetic palette from them, which I'll just stick it in there. So this is in the color Sultry. And then this one is in the color Intuition. So, love that. And then the very last thing, this is also for your mask, like to hang it on your neck, but I'm going to use it as a strap. And it's just like a little pearl thing. I mean, this one doesn't look as sturdy as the other one. So that is it for today. I hope you saw something that you liked. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Check me out over on Instagram at SparkleOnForever, and I'll see you guys very soon in my next video. Bye!